you for joining me. Today we'll be talking about globalization and how it's impacted the world and our workplaces. I'll be using Schultes, his book, and I'll also be talking about a previous workplace and how globalization has impacted it. Various Industries started up in 1992 with their patent current switch, the Hawkeye. From there, the company grew to nearly 100 employees over a course of a few years, and with new products emerging. Various Industry was a privately owned company that shared its profits with employees. The company was experiencing huge sale growths every year, ranging from around 40%. That's phenomenal.
Over the years, we've expanded to more than 13 major product categories, including water flow, BTU, gas, and energy meters, pressure sensors, humidity sensors, and other environmental sensing products. We develop innovative products that provide the lowest total installed cost.
This leads Varus to become one of the top 500 companies in building automations. From there, Varus was sold off and eventually merged with global giant Schneider Electric. This merger leads Varus into a spiraling direction towards super-territoriality and a hyper-capitalistic mode. Varus, now referred to as Schneider's Portland plant, has been greatly impacted by globalization and has gained access to new tools globally.
We believe at Schneider that the access to energy is a fundamental human right for everyone on this planet. And at the same time, climate change is probably the biggest challenge of our generation. We are the first generation to know. We are the only generation that can solve it, because after our generation it's going to be too late. In that issue, or in that challenge, working together between Schneider and Salesforce will be absolutely critical. Schneider has a job to make sure that life is on. And we know that life is on when energy is safe, reliable, efficient, and green.
We started using Salesforce as a customer relationship management application that could change the way we were addressing our customers. It was all about speed and about empowering the field to be able to perform almost everything from their phone. Now we have a very powerful customer platform.
Salesforce is absolutely essential in the way we work because the ancient world of energy was siloed.
Before Salesforce, we had, I could not even tell you, maybe 100 different systems. And now it's one platform.
For the first time, you can really connect everything seamlessly from power plant to the plug. For a company like us, it's a revolution.
Schneider is a customer-obsessed company. That's why the Salesforce platform is so important to us. It's how everybody in Schneider can connect to their customer in a whole new way, in a more personalized way, from everywhere.
All the components for manufacturing, aside from screws bought locally from Oregon boats, were being acquired from other Schneider facilities or other Schneider preferred vendors. The PCB boards used in manufacturing all these units were manufactured in Mexico, and the CT cores, they were delivered from China. Everything gets manufactured here in Oregon and shipped worldwide. Globalization has affected how our sales team works as well. Sales members arrive at different times to talk and communicate worldwide to other customers. Schultes' vision of transplanetary connections has become a vision for Schneider. With the ability to communicate to clients and other facilities through Schneider's new software platform, barriers are eliminated. Communication is almost instantaneous. It's almost as if Schneider has embraced globalization.